Following the Tipra Motha Party's resounding landslide victory in the recent TTAADC elections, a grand victory celebration was held on Monday at the Killa area, encompassing 9 village committees. The event was organized to felicitate the newly elected MDC for the Bagma-Killa constituency, Purna Chandra Jamatia, who is also the former chief executive member of the council.
Sabai nanta pai jadi, wak sama sabai nanta pal jadi. Atal komi kriyo nanta kelai di jadu, lano mokol sindri takas ledi. Mai dulu shani bagi hano tapaldi, busharoni tinano tapaldi. Yakshi yagrani boyar nota kiriti, ubagrano kabai poito klaidi.
Addressing a massive gathering of party workers and local residents, MDC Purna Chandra Jamatia expressed his gratitude to the electorate and emphasized the need to consolidate the party's position in the micro level. He noted that while the TTAADC victory has re-established the party's dominance, workers must further strengthen the grassroots organization structure ahead of upcoming electoral challenges. Highlighting a major political and administrative development, the newly elected MDC slammed the decade-long delay in holding grassroots elections in the tribal council areas. For over 10 years, the village committee elections were kept on hold. However, through the relentless initiative and hard work of our party's supremo, Maharaja Pradit Kishore Manikanta Parma, we fought the case legally in the Supreme Court and won, Jamatia announced. He further briefed the gathering that following the explicit directives and order of the Apex Court, the long-pending village committee elections are officially set to take place next month in June.
Tani ke tung sai mana, je asal kudung ma bos orang we je sini man thai maya ngui tong bani. Ini tung tuluk bubagrani netrite sini man thai orang nos sang lai tung tabok sini position strong khai ka. Ini thang nei edisi wo tung jot tu sai mana, 28 edisi wo 24 ta tung keplai ngui punuk rokha je Tipra sarok sini man thai chana ni bagai tung tabok. Tangsa no table kerak kaini ni bagai ready tunggu, omo punung manici. Seng tabok village committee election, 10 bosor romai cini kami amcai ni sorkar, seng no cong rona ni bagai, odikar rolia, tabok ni rajo sorkar. Seng kami amcai ni sorkar senamaya ni bagai, kami amcai wo tui kerei lama kerei. Ini kebang masak ham ବ୍ୟବস্থা ham ya omo hairong no su facility maya ngui tongkha Tipra ngui tongkha ini bubagra bono Supreme Court case khai ini June mase ni bisingo election ma khainai huloi Supreme Court by Rajya Sarkar Rajya ni election commission order rojakha nidesh rojakha abo election ma khainai ini o election no just kepada keplai mang naik, keplai bernai. Jadi antara atrota edisi village tongmani, seng atrota ni keplai naik, tabung ni edisi general election ni reza lot seng duka. Koriskar unka, puno jaga open kai penu BJP ro, member pasang gelak, tabung ni reza lot seng duka. Ini seng ekmas, ini 2 din, ek din kakak. Tabok edisi general election pai meni. Kami am sayo teipu tabok pane BJP, CPM, Congress lui tongai romno sengma salai nai. Sini nahor meng, sini bubagrani nahor meng, sini bubagrani chan meng. Sini odikar maya sak jerat seng leng lawi tonggla. Omo kaisa ya, setiap kaisa kapan isi, ya klik kaisa kapan isi. Tini o edisi wo seng keplai mani. Seng joto din pojonto sak awo sobui sini Tipra saro ni joto man thai no ro maya sak jora seng tabok sering tong ya omo sini bubagra ni na hormon Tani kau mesti di Chanmung, Tipra Motha Party di Chanmung ya, Tipra Saro, Zog tabak thangui tongmani hai, Paine chalo Zog thangui thangnani hingke, sini odikar manai, ar o odikar manani hingke, Rai Jawa chung sini Bobagrano Chief Minister Masongnai, Chief Minister ni kursi wo chung kono rohomaya hingke, tabak ni hai. Sino sini odikaro ya sino deprive thayi tongnai je chief minister ka Tripura ni joto ni sei powerful ব্যক্তি o powerful asono chung joto din porjonto sini bobagrano rohomaya sak sini kamiam sini Tripura sani sini elaka ni ham thai chung thai mangla.
He urged the party rank and file to maintain momentum and ensure a clean sweep in the upcoming VC polls to continue the development narrative across the state tribals administration zones. Chini, Khorang.